Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your car doesn't come with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, don't worry. Today's portable CarPlay screens can instantly upgrade almost any vehicle with wireless smartphone connectivity, navigation, music streaming, voice control, and even built-in dash cameras. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best CarPlay screens of 2026 based on display quality, smart features, ease of installation, camera performance, and overall value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Portable Apple CarPlay Screen, 10-inch wireless touchscreen. It features a responsive 10-inch HD touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to access navigation, calls, messages, and music without plugging in your phone. One of its biggest advantages is the built-in 4K front dash cam paired with a 1080p rear backup camera, providing both driving security and easier parking. It also supports MirrorLink, voice control, Bluetooth audio, GPS navigation, and simple installation that works with almost any vehicle. Pros: wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in 4K dash cam, 1080p backup camera included, voice control support, and excellent value for money. Cons: requires dashboard space for mounting. Screen brightness can be affected by direct sunlight. If you're looking for the best overall portable CarPlay screen, this is our top recommendation. Number 2. 11-inch extra-large wireless CarPlay screen. Its ultra-slim 0.16-inch design looks modern while providing a spacious touchscreen that's easier to view during navigation. Like our top pick, it supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a 4K dash camera, 1080p rear camera, GPS navigation, MirrorLink, Bluetooth, and voice commands. The larger display is especially helpful for using maps, viewing parking cameras, and controlling media while driving. Pros: large 11-inch touchscreen, slim modern design, 4K front camera, wireless smartphone connectivity, easy installation. Cons: slightly more expensive, larger size may not fit smaller dashboards. It's an excellent upgrade for drivers who want a bigger and more immersive display. Number 3. LAMTTO upgraded 11-inch wireless CarPlay screen. If entertainment is important during long trips, the LAMTTO 11-inch wireless CarPlay screen offers features that most competitors don't. In addition to wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, it includes a built-in entertainment video box with support for Netflix and YouTube, allowing passengers to enjoy streaming content when appropriate. It also includes GPS navigation, voice assistant support, and a backup camera for safer parking. The responsive touchscreen and modern interface make it easy to switch between navigation, music, and entertainment. Pros: built-in Netflix and YouTube support, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice assistant integration, backup camera included, large HD touchscreen. Cons: streaming requires an internet connection, and entertainment features should only be used safely and legally. This is a fantastic option for families and anyone who spends a lot of time on the road. Number 4. Carpuride Wireless CarPlay Screen. Its 10.26-inch HD IPS display provides bright colors and wide viewing angles, making navigation easy to read even during daytime driving. The built-in 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera support loop recording, helping capture important driving footage. It also offers Bluetooth audio, MirrorLink, GPS navigation, and full wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Pros: excellent IPS display quality, 4K front and 1080p rear cameras, reliable wireless connectivity, loop recording for dashcam, easy setup. Cons: slightly thicker design. Premium features come at a higher price. If driving safety is your priority, the Carpuride is an excellent choice. Number 5. Volam 11-inch wireless CarPlay screen. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto while also including Netflix, YouTube, OTA software updates, Bluetooth, FM transmission, GPS navigation, and voice command. The large touchscreen delivers smooth performance, and regular OTA updates help keep the system up to date with new improvements over time. Pros: large 11-inch touchscreen, Netflix and YouTube built in, OTA software updates, Bluetooth and FM support, easy wireless connectivity. Cons: internet required for streaming apps. Installation may require careful cable management. It's a great all-in-one infotainment upgrade for older vehicles. So those were our picks for the top 5 best CarPlay screens of 2026. If you're looking for the best overall value, the 10-inch portable Apple CarPlay screen offers an excellent mix of wireless connectivity, built-in cameras, and smart features. If you prefer a larger display, the 11-inch extra-large wireless CarPlay screen is a fantastic upgrade. And if in-car entertainment is your priority, both the LAMTTO and Volam models stand out with built-in streaming support. No matter which model you choose, every CarPlay screen on today's list can modernize your vehicle with better navigation, hands-free communication, and a more enjoyable driving experience. Thanks for watching. Drive safely, and we'll see you in the next video.